come with me to go feed at the farm. Don't ask questions, we just do what we do. All right, let's go. But it's literally called Wild One Farms up here because the wind's always blowing. It makes Now we have a herd and we call them the Clampets, if you can hear them in the background. Oh, we got one out. Spanky. No, you're not Spanky, you're Saddle. No, you are Spanky. What are you doing? Oh my God. All right, so we literally still have one out. Here's what I mean by the Clampets. Here you go, Sonny. Oh, got your face all in it. All right, Spank. This is my miniature bull. His name's Pee-wee. Come on, bud. Come on. Look, this is what he does. He move your head out the way. Do you want to feed or not? Oh, you can't eat out of there. I'm telling y'all, it's literally a hassle. Like, literally. Just poured it all over the goat. Oh. Pee-wee! Okay, y'all. Well, Pee-wee has never been that mean. He's probably just starving or he's being very dramatic. We're gonna get him inside. This is Pee-wee. He's sweet. He's just being a butt. Are you being a butt? Huh? Are you being a butt? You're being a butt. You're being a turd. Okay, well, y'all, this is the farm. This is the Clampets. We still have one out, but he'll be fine. He'll be fine. Because he just wants to be a turd. Yes, I'm talking about you. All right. Love you. Bye.